Hello everyone. Now this is the time of EVS part 2 history. So up to last lecture, up to last session we have seen 5 lessons. Hope so you all have completed exercise with understanding the theme of the lesson. Now let's have some of the revision. Lesson wise. Some of the points are there in front of you which I have taken from the workbook. So, if you are reading these points again and again, you will come to know the major theme of these lessons. So, let us see one by one these lessons main points. First lesson we have seen as Maharashtra before Shivaji. So, monarchy prevailed everywhere in the medieval period. The kings neglected the welfare of the subjects. However, benevolent kings like the Mughal Emperor Akbar and Krishnadev Rai looked after the welfare of their subjects. Maharashtra was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. The outlook of these sultans were narrow and they oppressed their subjects. Their constant fights added to the hardship of the people. The constant fights among the Deshmukhs and Deshpande Watandars caused misery to the people. Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj to bring happiness to the people in Maharashtra. The noble deeds of Shivaji Maharaj is a source of inspiration to all of us. So, see students, here we have seen that the period before Shivaji Maharaj was very harassable period. These all things were come to known by, we can't say that Shivaji Maharaj, before Shivaji Maharaj were two main characters were there. They were Jijabai and Shahaji Raje. So, whatever their inspiration was there, because of that Shivaji Maharaj got success for establishing Swaraj. So likewise, in this lesson we have seen the miserable condition of Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj, and in one last two lines we are coming to know that how courageously Shivaji Maharaj has established Swaraj, and he has tried his all the efforts for bringing happiness into the Maharashtra's people. We can't say that only Maharashtra's people, throughout the India he has started his Swaraj in a very large and great pomp. Okay, so here we have completed the first lesson. Come to lesson number 2, that is work of the sons. Shivaji Maharaj was not able to establish Swaraj lonely. With him Maulas were there surely, but some of the great deeds of some of the great people like some sons were also there with Shivaji Maharaj. With him behind the curtain also some of the great sons were there. So in our history at the starting of this syllabus, it is very necessary to have a look of their great works. So in these lessons, work of the sons, we are able to remind some of the important points. So see, Maharashtra is the land of sons. These sons had preached the virtues of compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality and brotherhood. Sri Chakradhar Swami, a prince from Gujarat, became the ascetic and preached equality. He founded Mahanubhav sect. Sant Namdev, a great devotee of Vitthal, composed many verses in praise of God and spread Bhagavad Dharma. He brought about awakening among the people and instilled the desire to protect religion. His verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Sant Jnaneshwar composed Jnaneshwari in Marathi and opened the door of knowledge to the common people. He preached faith in God, equal treatment to all, and helped those troubled and allay their misery. Sant Eknath preached Bhakti Marga. He composed many Abhangas, Ovis and Bharuds. He preached and practiced equality and love for all living beings. Sant Tukaram was contemporary of Shivaji Maharaj and a true devotee of Vitthal. He composed Abhangas and performed Kirtans. Samarth Ramdas composed Dasbodh and Manache Shlok. He built many temples of Hanuman, preached virtues of organization, unity in the fight against injustice. Work of these sons brought about awakening among the people. This helped Shivaji Maharaj in his struggle to establish Swaraj. So see my dear students, With this summary only, you will able to understand that how these sons were great in their works and how much they have helped behind the curtain to Shivaji Maharaj for establishing and developing the Swaraj in the future. So if you are reading the lesson very properly, you will come to know all these important points are given in the lesson. So you all are requested to read the lesson very carefully. So see my dear students, in next session we'll see the summary in brief about Maharashtra Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. So now as I told you about the next session, here only I would like to stop with these two lessons points. So you all are requested to read the lesson very properly as well as these points also, and whatever exercise we have completed of these both lessons, you all are requested to complete this exercise. In written already you have completed, but for learning you have to complete now. Okay, so till that we'll meet in next session. Till that, bye all of you. Take care.